Hey, this is Sally. Hope you enjoyed this version of a virtual hug. This time I recruited my sons to give me a little bit of their expertise to share with you. So wherever you are, stay safe and hope you enjoy.
Hey there, sports fans. Today we're going to create a musical instrument out of 3 different glasses using water. So here's our end result. We'll be able to play simple songs like Mary Had a Little Lamb or Hot Cross Buns. Or Mary Had a Little Lamb. And it goes on and on. So here's how I got here. I got 3 glasses that were similar in size, and as you can see, I filled them up with water. It worked for me to have a little bit of water on the side so I could easily fill up the glasses. Now the trick for this is fill up your lowest glass first, and if this one always stays the same, then you just kind of play around with these 2 and try to make them sound good in relation to this. So if you know the beginning of like hot cross buns, okay, we need these 2 to sound like they're leading into hot cross buns. So now we're going to fill up these glasses. So we'll check if this sounds correct. No, that does not sound like hot cross buns. So let's see. Add a little bit of water. That doesn't sound like hot cross buns yet. Notice I'm still not adding any water to the last one. Okay, it sounds closer. This one doesn't sound super high anymore. This one to me kind of sounds like the first note of hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. This one is a little bit too high, so we're going to add some more water to it. It helps too if you flick the glass like below the water. It makes the best sound. Let's see. It kind of sounds like hot cross buns, but it kind of sounds like a sad version of hot cross buns. So I'm going to change this glass. This one still doesn't sound right. Okay, so I'm getting close. These 2 sound exactly pretty much the same. Make this one a little bit lower. Getting there. We're almost there. We're doing pretty good. This middle one still doesn't sound perfect, so you keep playing around with it, but it's pretty close. Yeah, so this one is still a little off. I need to add water to this one. I'm getting a cue from the audience.
Yay!
There we go. Enjoy. Have fun. Alright, we have a bonus feature today. If you're more into just doing something with rhythm and maybe body percussion, here's my brother showing you something you could also try at home.